Welcome friends. Today I am going to explain you how to start a notebook manufacturing business, that too with less investment. Okay, so why to waste time? Let's proceed with the details. So for that you have to go to this website, this URL, HANU7.com/online store/Amazon product. That same URL is there in the link description below. So I have already pasted this in the description below. So if you want, you can click that, then you will be directed to this page of my website. Okay, so in this you can see there are some topics are written here, and we will quickly go to the last page, last of this topic. What are the products we require and what are those things? By just looking at the images you will come to know. So this is looking like a spiral binding machine. This is spiral binding coils. Okay, and this is a paper, JK Easy Copier A4 paper, and then these are the spiral binding sheets. Okay, so leave about other things. So these things are enough to start a spiral binding notebook manufacturing process. So let us see what are the other things. Okay, so what are the things which are available in the market to start a notebook manufacturing business, and what is this about? Okay, so we will be discussing first about what are the all products that are required and what is the cost of the such a manufacturing process, which is I mentioned here as less than 10K. We need not spend more than 9068. Okay, that's why I mentioned less than 10,000. Here and there the cost may vary when the time of you purchase from Amazon. So I will tell you first what are the traditional methods which are available in the market to manufacture the books. Books can be manufactured with the help of a machine. Okay, there the papers and covers will be kept at one place. First they will go for pinning the books. In the book they will be pinning 2 pins. Okay, for that also there are two approaches are there. One is manually they will pin, and other one is with the help of a machine. Then later, in order to bind it, in order to fold it, they will fold 3-4 books and then put it in a machine, and that machine will make them look like what you can say a bound copy. Okay, then next is they will go for cutting the edges. Okay, then they will be wrapping it, and then they will be sending for market. So this entire process requires huge machines to be installed, and then if your office is space constrained, we cannot go for that. Even though if you are affordable to put it, but if your office is space constrained, then you need not go for such a machines, huge machines. So those huge machines require a lot of space and lot of installation process and everything, and then maintenance and everything also additional. But this process requires just a table, a space which is of the table size. On that you can put a spiral binding machine, then you can start doing the spiral binding. Okay, a space which is less than the desk size is sufficient. And coming to the cost of overall setup for that original pin type of books is, for a fully automatic machine it will be over 5 lakhs. For a semi automatic machine it is up to 2 lakhs. Okay, so but for this spiral binding machine I will tell you the cost of each and every product, but the overall product cost is overall setup cost is 9068 only. Okay, So if you have a GST IN, then you can avail it with the help of inclusive of GST price. Okay, sorry, exclusive of GST price, or inclusive of GST, whatever it is. So we will see at the time of looking at the first product. And moreover, there is one option available in Amazon called no cost EMI of around up to 6 months on these all the products whatever you are purchasing. So let us quickly go to the first product. We will read it directly from Amazon. This is a spiral binding machine which is blue in color. Okay, and it is a 15-inch 45 ohms machine. You can see these are the different types of holes which are available. Okay, and it can go for up to 45 holes. I have selected a machine which can give more holes. So if you want less holes, then you can choose, you can adjust the height of that paper. Okay, you can adjust the height here. Now you can see here, this is a 4 millimeter hole size. The size of the hole is 4 millimeter, and between the holes it is 4 millimeters. And the type of spiral binding, it can support everything. Okay, so that is about the spiral binding, and the cost of this product is 2583 exclusive GST, and inclusive GST is 3049. You can see the difference. 500, around 540 is the difference. Okay, if you have a GST IN, then you can avail it with the help of that GST input credit. So now we will move to the second product. The second product is Innobit heavy duty professional magnetic A4 cutter. You can read all these things from my website, from this URL. Then I am going to directly opening this product in the Amazon. So this is a heavy duty professional magnetic A4 paper cutter. Not only A4 paper cutter, it can do a paper trimmer, and then it can do paper cut. It can do photo studio paper cutting machine. It can also go for home and craft paper cutter. You can use it multi-purpose. Okay, so one purchase, multiple use. So these are the different features of this product. You can go through in the Amazon site. Okay, so now let us go to the next product, which is coil, sheet, spiral binding sheets. So these are the sheets which are available in Amazon. True Alley A4 size book spiral binding sheet, set of 2-pack of 100 sheets per set, total sheets of 200. So total together they are 200, and the cost of them is 699, and of course exclusive GST is 699, and then inclusive GST is 825. So if you don't want this type of things, then you can purchase the Classmate brands book covers, or some other brands which are available in the market, and then you can use it in your design with the permission from them. Or otherwise you can design your own things with the help of this product, with the help of some online. Then automatically it will give you the last page of that book. So this is the first page I have designed for my book, HANU7 Academy logo and all those things. This is not a final design. I am showing you as a sample. Okay, you can do like this, and search for some other techniques which are available in the market for designing your cover pages. And then next is coil. So let us go to the coil. So these are the different coils which are available in the market. You can also purchase smaller coils than this, and then bigger coils than this. I have selected 22 mm coils for that, for my project, for my projects. So you can go for even all varieties of coils, mixed coils like that. So these are other, I decided to go for a minimum of 100 pages. So this, for a minimum of 100 pages, more than 100 pages book, you can go for this type of what you can say, coil. spiral binding coils. And we will go to the paper. So the papers can be anything. You can choose any like B2B copiers or JK copiers or whatever it is. You have to get all the papers, and if required, do a paper cutting and then do the paper spiral binding along with the your designed for book covers. Okay. And also there are some other papers which are available in the market, if you want this type of ruled ones. Okay, these are A4 ruled white project sheets. They are also available in the market, so you can purchase them and then you can use it in your notepads, or you can use them in your directly A4 sheet spiral bindings. So this looks exactly same like the classmate book. Okay. Yeah, now these are all the essentials we have discussed so far. Now the next thing is this is a cutter. The corners, you can design the corners like this with the help of this product called Vishal 3-in-1 corner cut, size R4 mm, R7 mm and R10 mm. There are 3 options are available. And then it is a rounder for paper craft and photo cutter, project book making, angles, etc. Angle eater. Okay. So this is a it is available in different colors, you can choose. So I have given this. Even this also having non-slip mat. So you can choose this as an additional product. Then next one is wrap film. As I told you, the books after manufacturing you need to pack it, and then after packing you have to send it to the manufacturing, to the marketing places. Wherever you want to send it, you can send it with the help of this packing materials. So for that, this is the paper wrap which I have selected, which is 12 inch in width. Okay, it is a 10-meter roll. You can purchase even more than that. These are all additional, I said, that's fine. And coming to the Bosch, this is another one which I prefer for wrapping. Instead of the heat that normal wrapping machines which are available in the market, this will be a better option to wrap, and then it will not burn the product. Okay, the heat specifications, control and everything is there in this. So this is a plastic heat gun. It is useful for useful for heat isolation cap, ensures user safety by protecting them for high heat. Overheat protection is there. How it can do overheat protection to ensure the safety in case of an airflow blockage. 3 degree of temperature, 60, 350, 550 degrees Celsius, and airflow of 350, 550 LPM can be selected as per needs. Can be used in shrink wrapping. So that's what this is what I preferred, shrink wrapping. Removing cardants, you can use it for some other purpose also, and shaping PVC pipes. Okay, so this is about the 9th product of our today's presentation. Today I told you about this first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th and 8th one, and 9th one is not available as a image there, which is the cutter, magnetic cutter. This is the magnetic cutter I told you. So friends, so this is how you can try and you can start a business of book manufacturing unit. So why to waste time? Start doing the book manufacturing unit today itself. Okay, so order it now from Amazon, and then get them by within 2 or 3 days, or in max 4 days from Amazon, depending upon your pin, and start this business. Okay, so for more questions and everything, you are almost welcome to put your comments in the comment section below. And for more details, you can also contact me through my email ID, which is available in the description of this video. Thank you.